Quick reading for March the 25th to March the 26th, Aries. Your cards are the Five of Swords, the Witch of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Parang medyo mabilis ngayon, no, yung flow ng pakikipag-ayos. I feel like nagkaroon kayo dito ng challenges ni person, misunderstanding, up to a point siguro ng separation. Parang ngayon merong realization dito si person na gusto ko siyang ipanalo, gusto kong ibalik, no, yung passion. For a few numbers of you siguro itong relationship ninyo lumamig, parang feeling mo nawala, no, yung interest ni person sa'yo, or parang feeling mo na medyo itong may mga pagkakataon, no, na si person ay parang hindi ka pinapansin. So, alam din ni person yun, ngayon nagsisink in na sa kanya. Kaya nga meron ditong approach, no? Meron ditong somewhat paghahabol, if I may say, para at least hindi na mas lalong lumaki pa yung issue. So yeah, this is your reading for March the 25th to March the 26th, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.